Finding an affordable home in Bemidji is tough these days, and this one has a lot going for it. You've got 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with a great layout. You also have a fenced-in yard, great for pets, a detached garage, and the location puts you just a short walk from downtown Bemidji and Bemidji State. And on top of that, it's already proven itself to be a solid rental property. So whether you're looking for an investment or a place to call home, this one makes a lot of sense. Let's take a tour. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. Homes like this don't usually last long in Bemidji, so you don't want to wait. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.